This is the Singapore Armed Forces Advanced Combat Men System, or the ACMS.
This is nothing less than a revolutionary leap into tomorrow's battlefield, and it's here today.
The principle behind the ACMS is synergy. Every piece talking to every other piece in a battlefield, and this has never happened before. With the ACMS, soldiers in the third generation SAF, right down to the section commanders and team leaders, become part of a larger network that is connected to the other combat resources of the battalion. This enhances the soldiers' situational awareness, combat precision, and survivability in the battlefield.
What we can see, what the higher HQ can't see, we can send the information to them. The best thing about it. I know where my men are, I can allocate them, I can tell my commanders, I can know where I am actually, and it's easier to navigate at this point in time. We don't need maps. There's already a saved map inside, the 3D, 2D, and the air photo, so it's very simple to navigate through the places.
The 7-man section will function not only as fighting units, but also as frontline sensors. By placing the enemy in the crosshairs of his SAR-21 assault rifle and hitting a key on a handheld communicator, the commander can provide his headquarters with the exact location of the target and enough information to take it out with precision fire. This means that the 7-man sections can now tap on wider sources of fire support far beyond what they could carry with them.
He's now not fighting alone, but as a system. With that also, he's able to be now more informed of the situation, and therefore he's acting more precisely.
This gives the headquarters an enhanced command and control of the battlefield. Soldiers can also call for medical help by simply pushing a button.
What's interesting about this seemingly complex piece of technology is that it's really user-friendly, especially for the younger, more tech-savvy generation of soldiers. It's almost as simple as sending a text message.
The third generation soldiers who are more IT savvy, this is actually a much easier to pick up, much easier to use than the traditional hardware.
So you can actually take a picture, send a message, or really call for help through the system. It really works at a handphone. It's very easy to use.
In fact, the ACMS was designed with input by the troops in order to be soldier-friendly.
They tell us what kind of functionalities they prefer, what kind of systems they like, what kind of ergonomics and designs they want to be integrated. So with all this input, when we design our system, it makes it much easier to train them subsequently.
I'm here at the SAF's latest training ground, the Murai Urban Training Facility. Built on the SAF's existing training ground in Lim Chu Kang, this is literally a small town with some over 200 buildings. It offers a variety of zones, from industrial to commercial and residential areas.
At least 500 soldiers can be put through the paces here at any one time, weaving through its network of roads, avenues, and alleys, complete with street signs.
The town is dotted with bus stops like this,
and also traffic lights and even an overhead bridge. This is as real as it gets.
So all these buildings give the soldiers different training challenges, okay, where they will face in different types of settings.
1, 2, set over.
There are some 270 cameras to capture the action. The commanders can then monitor to assess how well the soldiers fight and react to simulated scenarios.
The ground is not simply open and for me to go from one building to one building. I may face obstacles along the way. Okay, from there they develop tactics and techniques. What is the most effective way to breach a fence to go to the building the fastest and shortest approach possible.
With all these high-tech tools in place, the third generation SAF soldier is well equipped for the urban battlefield.